Hi everyone, thank you for joining me. I'm going to be fixing some fried dill pickles today. These are so good. You can get them at a lot of the steakhouses and a lot of restaurants. So first of all, I'm going to line my plate with some paper towels. And I've got a jar of just dill pickles. And I'm going to lay them out here and I'm going to let them drain really good. I'm going to blot them dry. Then you want to take another paper towel and just kind of mash them and get all that pickle juice off there. Okay, you want to set this aside. Get you a bowl. Egg. A little bit of milk. Now I'm going to use some of this Tony's seasoning. I'm going to get about 2 tablespoons of flour. That's heaping tablespoons. About a half a cup of cornmeal. You can use white cornmeal or yellow cornmeal, just whichever one you want to use. I just have white today. Okay, to this I want to add some onion powder. Garlic powder, then some more of the Tony's seasoning. Stir this up really good. With one hand, you take the pickles, you dip them in the eggs, and then you dip them in the cornmeal mixture. And then you just set them on your plate, and you keep doing that till you get all of them done. Okay, I'm gonna let these set in the fridge until my oil gets heated up, and I'll show you what else to do. Thank you. I want to test the oil out to see if it's hot enough. You want to take a wooden spoon and take the end and push it down in there. If it starts bubbling around it, then it's ready. See how it's bubbling? It's ready. Put them in your cast iron skillet. When one side gets brown, just turn them over to the other side. you want to have a plate with a paper towel ready to put them on. They get golden brown and crunchy. You lay them on your plate.